In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. Hello everyone, welcome to Mathematics Basic to Advanced level. In this lecture, I will solve past paper MCQs Pakistan Public Service Commission 2011 MCQs, that is, let f be defined on real number or by f of x is equal to x if x is rational, 1 minus x if x is irrational. Solution, that is, when x is rational, then absolute of f of x minus f of 1 divided 2 is equal to, so f of x is equal to x, so x minus f of 1 divided by 2 is equal to x, so x replaced by 1 divided 2, absolute of x minus 1 divided 2. When x is an irrational, so f of x minus f of 1 divided 2 is equal to absolute of, in case of irrational, so f of x is equal to 1 minus x, so minus 1 divided by 2, 1 minus 1 divided 2 is equal to plus 1 divided by 2, so absolute of 1 divided by 2 minus x, so multiplying minus sign, so equal to absolute of x minus 1 divided by 2, so which is equal to f of x and 1 minus x. We get absolute of f of x minus f of x is equal to absolute of x minus 1 divided 2. For a given epsilon greater than 0, there exists delta greater than 0 such that absolute of f of x minus f of 1 divided 2 is equal to x minus 1 divided by 2 absolute less than epsilon. If absolute of x minus 1 divided 2 less than delta, we can choose delta is equal to epsilon, hence f is continuous at x is equal to 1 divided by 2. Since x minus 1 divided 2 is equal to 0, so x is equal to 1 divided 2. So option B is correct. F is continuous only at x is equal to 1 divided 2, which is the required solution. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my YouTube lecture. Okay, Allah Hafiz.